In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the ribbon interface in Revit. If your ribbon ever feels crowded or you spend too much time looking for commands, a quick customization can make your workflow smoother and your screen less cluttered. We'll keep this simple and stick to exactly what you need to know to show or hide the tabs and panels you use most. Start by opening the File menu in Revit. You'll find it at the top left of the application window. From there, choose Options, and then go to the User Interface section. This is where Revit stores your display and layout preferences, and it's the central place for tuning how the ribbon looks and behaves. Inside the User Interface area, look for the section labeled Customize Ribbon. You'll see a structured list of tabs and, within them, panels, each with its own checkbox. In Revit, a tab is the top-level label across the ribbon, such as Architecture or Annotate. Panels are the grouped sets of tools within those tabs like Build, Modify, or Text. If you see a small expand icon, click it to view the panels inside a tab so you can control visibility at a more detailed level. To tailor the ribbon to your needs, check the boxes for the tabs or panels you want to display and clear the boxes for those you rarely use. This doesn't remove tools from Revit, it simply hides their entry points so your interface is cleaner. You can always come back and re-enable anything later the same way. As a practical guideline, keep the tabs and panels you reach for daily visible, and consider hiding discipline-specific tabs you never touch. For example, if you primarily do architectural documentation, you might keep Architecture and Annotate front and center, while temporarily hiding areas you don't need on a given project. If you're working on a smaller screen or a laptop, this can free up valuable horizontal space and reduce scrolling in the ribbon. And if something you rely on disappears, don't worry. Just return to the same customized ribbon area and recheck it. Think of this as a living setup you can adjust as your tasks change throughout a project. That's all there is to it. Go to File, choose Options, open User Interface, and in Customize Ribbon, use the checkboxes to show or hide the tabs and panels that matter most. A few thoughtful tweaks can make Revit feel faster, calmer, and more focused on the way you work.